What's the difference between a VM and a Docker container? Well, a virtual machine, or VM, mimics a real computer with CPUs, memory, and storage, and does its networking via a hypervisor. This means you can run your own operating system and download applications like you would on your regular computer, and it's all completely separated from your host machine. This can be incredibly useful as it allows you to split a very powerful machine into lots of little isolated ones, each with their own OS and system requirements. But quite often, if you're just running a service, you don't necessarily need a whole operating system in isolation, so that's where Docker comes in. Docker containers are lightweight, isolated processes that run on a Docker engine. They share the OS host kernel, but they do have their own resources and file systems to allow them to run completely independently. And because Docker containers are built-in layers, you can make them very efficient and minimal if you construct them correctly, which in turn exposes less vulnerabilities and includes less bloat software. So generally, for running most services, Docker containers are better. But for running some of those longer-lasting environments where some extra tooling isn't necessarily a bad thing, a virtual machine is probably a good choice. So hopefully that answers